Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any particular WordPress website, how we can add the e-commerce product by using number of elemented themes, number of themes are there. How we can add the product? I am taking one example is called rkuserlaptop.in. How we can add this product into this website? First of all, select your laptop with categories, main categories, subcategories are very important. First, you can go to dashboard. There, first of all, design your along with the products. First of all, what are the products are here that add your particular categories? Categories, subcategory, everything will be important. After that, click for add new product. What are the product you can add it will be here. Select that product name. Click this, add the product name. Don't use your laptop. After this, we can add your description part. Add your tag. Tag will be different tags we can use will be here. After this, laptop, they will be called Asus laptop. So after that, full information we can save it. First of all, this is the product information along with the price. Price will be copied here. Click this option. After this, what is your product complete information? Add by your description product information. After that, this add your product gallery is there. This. For exact product image, click this option. Upload your file. What are the image you will be add here? The same name should be used on your particular option. So we can give this option. Same name we can add it will be alt text. Alt is nothing but image alternative text. Click for it, publish it. Previous, I have the total 4 products are there. Now click for refresh it. After this, Asus will be add. When click for Asus laptop will be added here. Click for Asus Ryzen laptop. So easily we can give information. Anybody click the add cart, order on WhatsApp. Both can be applicable to add on your product. Description already is applicable. So what are the information you can add it will be here. Create WooCommerce website by this option. Right now I'm using Bluehost, will be using hosting option. I'm making will be Astra theme to making a WooCommerce website by adding the number of products. Add your first category, subcategories, and add your product based on your category and the subcategory option. Both can applicable. This is a main category, they will be subcategories. Create the category subcategories on here and start your posting on your particular option. Here will be main category will be shown to the customer will be like this. So what are the categories? Everything will be here. After this, add your subcategory will be here is the option. Laptops, mobiles, everything will be here. So that you can add will be here is the option. So if any particular WooCommerce WordPress website, how can design? If you're looking for design for the particular website, please always you can contact the Rakesh Tech Solutions website or Digital Rakesh. We definitely will support you how you can making for e-commerce website. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.